Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Thursday as shares in retailing, food, beverage, and tobacco, as well as tech, hardware, and equipment all trading higher, while shares in automobiles and components, telecommunication services, and food staples retailing all under pressure. On the economic docket, advanced good trade deficit growing to $63.3 billion in June. Initial jobless claims rising on the weekend of July 23rd to 266,000, and continuing claims improving to 2.14 million on the week ended July 16th. In line with expectations. Advancers ahead of decliners, 56% of SP 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Amazon.com announcing second quarter EPS of $1.78 versus 19 cents last year, with net sales of $30.4 billion from $23.2 billion the previous year. Operating income for Amazon jumping 177% year over year to $1.29 billion. Moving on, Merck & Co. posting second quarter adjusted EPS of 93 cents versus 41 cents 1 year ago. Second quarter sales up 0.6% to $9.84 billion. And Expedia unveiling second quarter adjusted EPS down 19% year over year to 83 cents, with revenues of $2.2 billion from $1.7 billion the previous year. Now turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up a little more than 0.5%. The Hang Seng down 1.3%. China's CSI 300 down 0.5%, and South Korea's Kospi down about 0.25%. European markets still consolidating, and U.S. futures calling for a flat start. In terms of expectations for today, ExxonMobil second quarter EPS seen at 64 cents. UPS second quarter EPS seen at $1.43, and Phillips 66 second quarter EPS seen at 93 cents. On the economic docket, a lot going on to close out the week. 8:30 in the morning sees second quarter adjusted GDP annualized quarter over quarter expected 2.5%. We also have second quarter adjusted personal consumption expected at 4.3%, and second quarter adjusted GDP price index expected 1.9%. 9:45 in the morning, the July Chicago PMI is due out, and at 10 o'clock in the morning we have the July final University of Michigan consumer sentiment read expected at 90.2. Now turning over to the markets, Trading Central first takes a look at the SP 500, seeing its key resistance at 2170. The relative strength index mixed to bearish, a distribution area currently taking shape, so short positions below 2170 are favored, with targets at 2154 and 2142 in extension. The Nasdaq sees caution, preferring short positions below 4750, and the Dow Jones sees consolidation, preferring short positions below 18,455.